integration in logical learning.
Fritz by Satyajit Ray. Satyajit Ray is one of the global Bengali figures like Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Prince Dwarkanath Tagore, Raja Saurendra Mohan Tagore, Swami Vivekananda, Rabindranath Tagore, Amartya Sen, etc. Satyajit hails from a progressive Bengali Brahmo family. His grandfather Upendra Kishore Roy Chaudhuri was one of the foremost figures Bengali press. His father Shukumar Roy was a foremost practitioner of nonsense verse and science fiction in Bangla. Satyajit Ray is primarily known as a film director of international repute. His first film was Pather Panchali. He was awarded with Oscar, an internationally acclaimed prize for film industry worldwide. He also wrote many stories for adolescent readers and science fiction in Bangla. His Professor Shonku Diary is critically acclaimed. Fritz the story. The narrator and his friend Jayanto had put up at a bungalow at Bundi, Rajasthan, where the latter had once stayed as a kid. The narrator was a teacher and Jayanto worked in a newspaper. Their trip took a long time in being materialized. Upon their arrival, the two couldn't help but marvel at antique quietness at the town. The narrator was quick to notice that Jayanto had turned quiet after arriving at Bundi and attributed his quietness and to the nostalgia. While walking around the courtyard, Jayanto suddenly exclaimed Deodar and narrated how his uncle had gifted him a little Swiss doll named Fritz, how he was obviously attached to it, of how he had been unfortunately destroyed by some stray dogs and how he had buried it under the Deodar tree in the veranda. At night, the narrator was disturbed by a slight noise and was awakened to find Jayanto sitting up, terribly agitated. Jayanto told him that something had woken him up. However, the narrator in the quiet Jayanto had used, but neither could say for sure how it was formed, and the narrator was too sleepy to think about it any further. The next morning, he saw that Jayanto had not slept at well. They left Bundi for Jayanto to come to his normal self. By the time they returned to the bungalow, Jayanto's agitation returned and he told the narrator that it was Fritz who had entered the room the last night and that the mysterious marks on the quilt were Fritz's footprints. The narrator was naturally startled by this remark and decided that he could not allow his friend to go insane. He commissioned a gardener to dig up the spot under the deodar tree where Fritz had supposedly been buried. After a long digging, the find scared the living daylights out of the curious folks. There lay at our feet covered in dust. Theme in the story: suspense, mystery, suspension of disbelief, nostalgia, and of course obsession. The burning question is, who killed Fritz? Acknowledgement: Little Buck, Shaitya Jagat, WordPress.com. Hopefully you have loved this video. Be with us. Thank you for watching.